What is hand washing? Hand washing is the act of cleansing the hands with water and soap for the purpose of removing soil or microorganisms in order to prevent cross-contamination and minimize nosocomial infections.
Purpose of hand washing:
To prevent cross-infection in hospital environment, removes dirt and soil, reduces risk of hand acting as a carrier of disease, breaks the chain of infection, prevents nosocomial infection. Now coming to the composition of the hand washing soap. Liquid hand wash is generally made by combining a surfactant, most often sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium lauryl sulfate with a co-surfactant.
There are 5 movements of hand hygiene. First, before touching a patient. Second, before a procedure. Third, after a procedure or body fluid exposure risk. Fourth, after touching a patient. Fifth, after touching patient's surrounding.
The duration of contact is approximately 40 to 60 seconds.
Procedure for hand washing.
First, wet your hands and apply hand wash. Then, rub your hands palm to palm. Then, rub your hands back to palm on both the sides. Perform hand washing with fingers interlaced. Then, rub back of fingers on palms on both the sides. Then, perform rotational rubbing of thumb. Then, scrub your nails on palms on both the sides. Then finally, rinse your hands with water.
This completes healthy hand washing.
For hand rub, we use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol.
Procedure for hand sanitization.
Take adequate amount of hand sanitizer. Now rub the hands palm to palm. Now rub the back of palm on both the sides. Now rub the interlacing fingers. Now rub the back of the fingers against the palm on both the sides. Now perform rotational rubbing of the thumb. Lastly, scrub your nails on palm on both the sides. This completes hand sanitization.